How to use Free Download Manager. Let's get started with the video. First of all, make sure that you have already installed Free Download Manager on a device. Once installed, simply open it. Now, in order for you to use it, what you want to do is move into any of the web browser for now. In the search bar, search for Free Download Manager extension. You will need to add extensions. Head over to the very first site. Download this extension. Tap on Add to Chrome. Once again, click Add Extensions. Wait for a while for it to download. Once it has been downloaded, now what you want to do is head over to another tab and in the search bar, search for any of the application that you want to install. Let me search for Viber. Move into this site. Now click on Download for Windows. Well, the downloading speed will be increased and it will be installed instantly. After that, your application will be available in this page and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.